Desire to earn money online while staying at home has increased over the past few years. Imagine getting out of bed and seeing notifications for payments totaling $100, $200, $300, or even $500 just keep coming in and rolling in on complete autopilot. The web is a powerful sales channel, marketing network, and community hub all in one, and so much more. There are a variety of inventive ways to make money online beyond completing surveys and selling used items on marketplaces. So, these are 3 ways to make money online. But before we go further, welcome to E-UZI. I'll be giving away a bonus at the end of this video, so keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. So the first top ways to earn monies online is to sell things online. One of the best money-making ideas is selling stuff online. You can sell clothing, furniture, and handbags from the comfort of your own home. You can buy and resell higher value products like laptops, TVs, or phones. You may purchase these goods online from websites like AliExpress or from nearby thrift shops and yard sales, which is a great way to earn money. There are 3 things you need to know before selling stuff online. First thing, the more places your products are available to buy, the more likely people are to find them. And second, there are hundreds of online selling sites with their own special niches. The last thing you need to know is that each marketplace has its own rules and fees. Make sure to understand them before you sign up for a marketplace. Also, there are 2 requirements to sell things online. You must find trending products to sell, and you may need to create an account and get verified to sell in a marketplace. One other best way to make money online is to start a dropshipping business. Think about dropshipping. It has low setup costs and is a growingly common technique to make money online for beginners and pros alike. Dropshipping is a business strategy where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, a third party completes and sends out the order for you when a customer purchases something from your store. There are 3 things you need to know before you get into this business model. We regularly see these categories on top list performers: clothing and accessories, jewelry, home and garden. You can create a Shopify store and use it for free for 14 days. Also, the pay period using Shopify payments is 5 days plus the number of days remaining until your payout day. Here's a simple way to make money online with free traffic. It's with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money while you sleep. It is essentially a process in which you earn a predetermined commission for promoting a product or service. Commodity products on Amazon.com won't pay out much, but referring a high-ticket account may pay out hundreds or even thousands of dollars in compensation, depending on the affiliate program and the product being sold. There are 3 things you need to know about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing growth can initially be erratic, but if you stay with it and improve your tactics, it can develop into a fantastic source of passive income. Building trust with your audience is the most important thing to cultivate with affiliate marketing. Another thing to know, the FTC and most reputable affiliate programs demand disclaimers. And that's it. These was 3 ways to make money online. A lot of people became multimillionaires with these methods just working from home. So if you want to know more about these methods to make money online, I'll explain step by step in my next video. So make sure you subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified when I'll drop the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button.